Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download data from a handheld GPS device, step by step. Step 1. Connecting GPS. First, connect your handheld GPS device to your computer using a USB cable. Wait a few seconds until your computer detects the device. Step 2. Opening DNR GPS. Now, open the DNR GPS software on your computer. This tool is free and works well with most Garmin GPS units and others. Once opened, make sure your device is connected and detected by the software. Step 3. Downloading data. Click on waypoints, tracks, or routes, depending on what you want to download. You'll see a list of available data from the GPS. You can filter by date or select specific files. Step 4. Saving the file. Next, go to File and click Save To. Choose the file format, preferably shapefile .shp if you're working in ArcMap. Give your file a name and choose a folder to save it. Step 5. Adding data to ArcMap. Now open ArcMap on your computer. Go to File, Add Data, then browse to the folder where you saved your shapefile. Select the file and click Add. Your GPS data will now appear on the map. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded data from your handheld GPS and added it to ArcMap. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.